Welcome all. In this video, I am going to show you how the same screen of mobile can be used for viewing two different apps. One can be the video and other one can be something like WhatsApp or Zoom app, Google Meet, or we can browse something from net, like we can open a browser. So that is what I am going to show you. So let's start by opening the first app, that is suppose YouTube, where I want to see some videos. So after I open this app, so I can click on this button. To minimize the app, to minimize the WhatsApp app. Thereafter, what I can do, I can open the next app which I want to open with this YouTube app. So I can go for any of the app from my mobile. That is, suppose I am opening Google Chrome to chat something, to search something from the net. Okay, some content I am displaying here. So that also I need to minimize so that both will appear on my screen. Fine, both the app are appearing on my screen. Now what I can do, I can click on the YouTube button, what it shows here. There I need to click for getting an menu, a pop-up menu. And in that pop-up menu, if you notice, the second option is open in split screen view. So I can click on it to send that application to the top of my mobile. You can see it is showing here. In this area, it is showing that app. Here it is showing that app. In this area, that app is showing. Fine. Then I can open any other window, like suppose Google Chrome is open, that I want to see with the previous app. So I can click on this button, click on this Google Chrome button. This is the button which I marked. So now you click in here, I can do open in pop-up view. Fine. Thereafter, I can maximize that. I can click on the maximize button to maximize that app. Now both are, if you notice, both the app are appearing on the screen. Like YouTube also is appearing, as well as the browser also is appearing. Both are inactive. Now let's play a video here. So see, the video is getting played, whose like audio you might not hear because the recording, the on-screen recorder is going on, so might not be able to hear the audio of this video. But when practically you will do, you will be able to hear the video, hear the audio, watch the video, as well as you can do some task here. And this is portrait screen. If you wish, you can change the portrait screen to landscape screen, that is rotate option you can choose, and you can turn your mobile so that both the screen will appear in vertical partition. So now the video is going on, as well as some task I am doing here. You see, I can check some task here. Not only that, I can switch up this app, as well as I can open some other app in that place. Like suppose I want to open Microsoft Office and I want to do some typing work, that also I can do. Fine, I can do some typing work here. I can choose Microsoft Word here and I can do some typing work here. Fine, I can do some typing work. Not only I can watch the video, but also I can do the typing work at a time. Now I'm just switching off this and showing you how we can use other app like Zoom or Google Meet. Suppose we are in a meeting and all, and we want to attend the meeting as well as we want to watch the video, so that also we can do. So here the Zoom app is open, so we can go for both together. Fine. So any of the app we can open and we can use them together. I can check mail as well. See, I'm switching on my email and I can check also that. Fine. So this is what, hope this video is helping you to make partition of your own screen, own mobile screen. Thank you.